Welcome back to the continuing saga of the Tales of the LT Trader Key Number Part 4, the Trend and the 123 Trading System plus Information Services. I'm Robin Dane, the Traders Coach, and I'll be your host today. We'll be taking the chart from Part 3 and adding in data from the 123 Trading System as well as LT Trader's Information Services, just like a high-end trader would use. On Part 3, we stopped at April the 5th, so let's pick up from there and work the chart through to the current date on Friday's close of April the 4th. We are now live and current with the market. First, let's look at the whole picture. You'll notice that we have new key numbers posted, so it's time to redefine our trend lines to bring us to date and to put a plan in place for our future trades. We'll delete the old lines and draw in our new ones, but we're going to use the key number as our foundation. So let's do the first one on the tops. And we're going to match up the tops as best we can. And we're going to do a bottom line. And we're going to use the key number as a foundation. And that's at the 1182.10. Next, we're going to take the third line, put it to the top, using the key number of 1205.50. Pretty interesting, huh? Wow, accuracy at its best. Next, let's add in the information from Part 3, where we identified a short-term trend within the long-term trend. We're going to expand it to include 2 more trend lines, so we're going to have 4. Let's be sure to keep the distance between the lines as equal as possible, again using the key number of 1201.50 as our foundation. Now we're going to change the screen and add in LT Trader Information Service data. Okay, great. Here's our new screen. Notice we have extended our trend lines into the future so we can be prepared for the trading possibilities in the days to come. We have also posted 3 important upcoming events that could affect our trading decisions. First is the Treasury budget on Monday. Second is the trade balance on Tuesday. And finally, we've got the CPI and retail sales report on Wednesday. Notice that the last bar at the end of Friday's market session closed at the high and precisely at the top of the trend line. Let's assume that the Asian and European markets will follow the U.S. move. The posted consensus shows the Treasury budget is good. So we included a plotted small green line that includes the Treasury budget and the typical key number calculation. Next, there's a slight pullback because the trade balance report consensus is negative. The price should continue in an up direction from there to the key number because the positive consensus of the CPI and retail sales report. But to capture the uptrend or the downtrend, the trader will need more information from the potential key numbers to come, plus the 123 Trading System data to form the trend. So let's look at the 2 possible scenarios that could occur at this point in time. And let's add in LT Trader's patented methodology of price factor to news and news factor to price to make our trading decisions given the reports that are going to be released. First, if you want to continue to capture the current trend to the key number price of 1207, you'll need additional data from the LT Trader Information Service of price factor to news. Second, if the price suddenly rallies from 1192 to 1207 before the release of the CPI report, it's considered news factor to price, and you can capture the downtrend from the LT Trader Information Service. Finally, let's look at the left side and the key number columns. As you can see, we've placed several orders in the system at specific price points as the high-end trader would do. By doing this, the trader is in control of his exits and money management strategy of risk-reward. We've got a lot of information here, so let's do a brief recap. You can see how LT Trader's information can affect a trade. It can affect the entry and exit decisions in real time, how the news factor to price and price factor to news can change or support your trading decisions, how the real-time fundamental analysis combined with the 1-2-3 trading system can provide a higher level of probability, minimize drawdowns with no lag time data, all supported by 24/7, the global live trading team. So stay tuned for how the real-time market will unfold and how the LT Trader products and services will deliver. And in the meantime, great trading.